Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're making a copycat recipe. That's Chipotle Guacamole. So what you're going to need to make this is 2 to 3 avocados. You're going to need a half of a jalapeno. You're going to need about a 1/4 cup of diced red onion. You're going to need some salt, some lime juice, and some lemon juice. Let's get right to this and I'll show you what we're doing. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is get our avocado slice. So I'm going to get a sharp knife, cut these things in half, and then basically you can just twist them apart like this. Easiest way to remove. Then we're going to take the avocados. This is the easiest way to spoon them out. Just use a tablespoon and scoop around. I know there's a lot of tools out there you can do that with, but look at that, perfectly clean. Alright, done with the avocados. Alright, 1/2 to 3/4 here of a jalapeno. Now you can seed this if you want. We're going to, because not everybody here likes super hot, and I just chop these fine. These will take your fingernails right off. Be very careful. And then we're going to cut up our onion. Alright, we're going to set this aside and we're going to start mashing. We got a handy dandy masher tool here. I'll put a link to this down in the description. This is a Pampered Chef. This is a Pampered Chef masher. It works great. This works great for this. It works great for potatoes, for mashing potatoes. Look how nice that is. Normally I would use a fork. This seems way easier. Alright, so now what we're going to do is get our jalapenos in here and our onions in here. And I'm just going to mix. Alright, we don't want this pulverized, so let's mix pretty good because you do want some chunks of avocado in there. Now we're just going to lightly salt. So just a little pinch of salt. We're going to put in a 1/2 tablespoon of lime juice and a 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice. Alright, now fresh lime and fresh lemon juice is best. I am not using that. I have found a shop on Amazon that has very close to fresh squeezed lime and lemon juice. I buy it by the gallon. I'll put links to those down in the description. So this right here is about done. The more you let it set, the more the flavors mix. But we're still going to taste it right now just to be sure. So I'm going to taste it by itself. And then if you have some chips, it's great on chips or a side dish with a taco or however you eat guacamole. But this stuff's a bomb. Let's get a taste. And I want to taste it by itself before I put in. Let's make sure I get an onion and a jalapeno there. But before we get the chips out, we're going to taste it by itself. That's pretty good. Actually, could use just a little more salt. So we're going to put another pinch in there. Alright, now let's give it a try with the chips. Santitos are my favorite. And they're only $2. $2.29 a bag now. They used to be $2. That's pretty tasty right there. I think all I need is a beer and a couch. And I'm going to sit down and polish off this guacamole. This is how easy it is, just mixing this up. You can have it done in about 10 minutes. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thanks for stopping.